Hello everyone, welcome to ExteriorExpress channel. Today we are diving to a transformation project that will make this outer space shine again, and we are going to pressure wash this patio, pathway and the backyard. So whether you are preparing for a gathering or just want to freshen up your space, this pressure washing video is for your inspiration. So let's get started. As you can see, our patio and backyard have collected some grime over time. Obviously, mold and dirt can make our outer space less inviting, but don't worry, with the help of pressure washer, we can restore it to its former glory. So before we jump into the cleaning, let's quickly talk about safety here. Always wear protective gear like gloves and safety goggles, and avoid pressure washing directly at people or pets. Here we have some old concrete tiles, I guess. For really tough stains, we might need to pre-treat the spots with a cleaning solution. So while Thomas is setting up pressure washer and connect all the hoses to the water source, I am carefully, because here is a garden, I'm carefully applying some chemical over the patio, pathway and the backyard. The chemical we're using here is sodium hypochlorite, and I'm just locally applying on every single tile. Carefully make sure it's all over the place, and hopefully that makes it much more better to lift away all the grime and the dirt. We are facing a really big challenge here, and that is the drainage. And there is no drainage here at all, and I mean at all. There is one on ascending level, which is raised up by another layer again, and does not do anything here, unfortunately. That's why we decided to use our strong, vacuum for gutter cleaning and vacuum all the water. It's going to take time, unfortunately, here, but it is what it is. And here we go, a clean and refreshed patio and backyard. Pressure washing is a game changer for enhancing your outdoor space. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos, please. Comment below with any question or project you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.